Hi, welcome to Poly English. My name is Teacher Glenn. How about yours? What is your name? Oh, your name is Mia. Hi, Mia. Nice to meet you, Mia. Okay, now, Mia, look at the picture. What can you see in the picture, Mia? Oh, you see an owl. Okay, Mia. That's an owl. Okay. Hi, Mia. Next, Mia, look at this picture. What picture is that, Mia? Oh, that's not a bird. Can you repeat it again, Mia? Or can you try it again, Mia? Yes, it's a firefly, Mia. Okay, it's a firefly. So, Mia, our lesson for today is all about can only birds fly? Okay, repeat after me, Mia. Can only birds fly? Okay, good job. Can only birds fly? Okay, next, Mia. Oh, look at the picture, Mia. What do you see in the picture? Oh, it's all about animals, Mia. Okay, it's all about animals. What animals do you know, Mia? Oh, let's start first with this picture, Mia. What animal is that? It's a rar. It's a tiger, Mia. Rawr. You like tiger, Mia, or not? You're not. Okay, you don't like tiger. Okay, how about this one, Mia? What animal is this? It's a okay, it's a monkey. It's a monkey. And monkey loves to eat banana. Okay. You like monkeys, Mia? Oh, we are saying Mia because monkeys are funny. Next, Mia, what animal is this? It's a Charan! It's a giraffe, Mia. Giraffe has a long neck. Okay, giraffe. Next, Mia, what animal is this? It's an elephant. Okay, good job, Mia. It's an elephant. It's a big mammal. Okay, for that, Mia, I will give you a hamburger. Yum, 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 yum. Delicioso, Mia. It's delicious. Yum, yum, yum. Next, Mia, what animal is this? It's a tweet, 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 tweet. It's a bird, Mia. Same as teacher. Same color. It's color blue. And and has wings. And it can also fly like a butterfly. So next, Mia, what animal is this? It's a dog. Okay, good job, Mia. It's a dog. Woof, 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 woof. You like dogs, Mia? Okay, same as teacher. It's a dog. So for that, Mia, I will give you 1 star. Okay, good job, Mia. Next, Mia, what do you call this picture or that animal? It's a cat. Okay, meow, meow, meow. Okay, it's a cat. And for that, Mia, let's go to the last picture. What do you call that animal? It's a penguin. Okay, it's a cute one. It's a cute animal. It's a penguin. And for that, Mia, I will give you 2 stars. Okay, good job, Mia. Next, Mia, let us look and say Mia. Repeat after me. Hi there. Are you a bird? Can you say it again, Mia? Hi there. Are you a bird? Okay, good job, Mia. How about this one? Say, yes, I am an owl. It's your turn, Mia. Okay, next, Mia. Owls are birds. It's your turn, Mia. Okay, owls are birds. Now, Mia, say owl. Say owl, Mia. Okay, good job, Mia. For that, I will give you a hamburger. It's delicious, Mia. Next, Mia. Oh, let's say owls. Can you say it, Mia? Okay, owls. Okay, let us now count the owls, Mia. One, two. So there are two owls, Mia. Owl, owls, owl, owls. Okay, good job, Mia. For that, I will give you a fries. Num 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 num. It's a fries for you, Mia. Next, Mia, let us read. Repeat after me, Mia. Owls are birds. Again, Mia, say owls are birds. It's your turn, Mia. Okay, good job, Mia. For that, I will give you another star. Okay, you're an awesome reader, Mia. Good job, Mia. Oh, now let us drag and say. Okay, Mia, I have here 3 pictures of different wings. I will put numbers in each picture. 1, 2, 3. Mia, I want you to choose the correct number of the correct wings of an owl. Is it 1, 2, or 3? Okay, good job, Mia. It's picture number 3. Okay, now let us say the sentence, Mia. Say, owls have got wings. Okay, it's your turn, Mia. Owls have got wings. Okay, good job, Mia. And for that, I will give you a prize. Nom 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 nom. Okay, next, Mia. Oh, I have your video, Mia. Let us watch together the video. Okay, Mia? Okay, we're done watching the video, Mia. And now, Mia, I will ask you, can owls fly? Okay, very good, Mia. Owls can fly. Say it, Mia. Owls can fly. It's your turn, Mia. Say, owls can fly. Okay, good job, Mia. And for that, I will give you 1 star again. Okay, good job. You're an awesome reader, Mia. Okay, now, Mia, let us look and read each sentences. Okay, let's start first with this. Say owls are birds. Okay, it's your turn, Mia. Okay, good job. How about this one, Mia? Say owls have got wings. It's your turn, Mia. Okay, good job, Mia. And for the last sentence, Mia, say owls can fly. It's your turn, Mia. Okay, good job, Mia. You're a good reader, Mia. You're an awesome reader, Mia. And for that, I will give you another 1 star, Mia. Congrats, Mia. Okay, next, Mia. Oh, there's no more, Mia. Okay, so we're done with our lesson, Mia. You're a very good reader, Mia. And for that, Mia, I will give you a trophy. Okay, this trophy is for you, Mia, because you're a good reader. Okay, Mia. So please continue watching cartoons, especially English cartoons, and also read advanced reading all about English, Mia. So again, Mia, congratulations and have a good day, Mia. Bye, Mia.